place I go to when no one knows me. It's not lonely, it's a necessary thing.
Oh, take a button. Take it to your dad. I know. I was good. Food, please. We've got all these. And that black and white one's black and white model there, you see him. Oh, yeah.
Look how cute these are.
He's a nice colour, isn't he? Look at him, look at that.
So guys, as you just seen, we've just been playing with the animals for a bit. So yeah, and then I'm just outside right now because we're gonna go back in and do the guinea pigs, but we have to wait 20 minutes. So yeah, we're just going to them too.
Oh, you sure about
So guys, we're just in the cafe waiting for our food. I've got ham and cheese toasty, and yeah, basically we've just been around with some animals and played with the guinea pigs and the goat, and yeah, basically. So I'll catch you on my food for you. So guys, my food is just come, and
I was good.